Sister, brother, cousins, everyone. Hello, I am the favorite ako. Sino ba sumunod sa yapak niya, di ba? Which is kung nagmamas pa rin ako every Sunday. Which I never. Kidding aside, we're all her favorite couples. 9 lang naman kami, so we're all her favorite couples. So you see, it was Mama who helped raise my siblings and I. In fact, she practically raised all 9 of us. Because we grew up with her under her household at one point or the other, sabay-sabay pa po. My mom, Auntie Olet, Uncle Jojo, and Auntie Mia had to work hard to provide for our families. So all day long, we pretty much be with Mama. She took such good care of all of us, and she helped raise all of us very well. Siya po yung literal na sumalo sa amin lahat. So you all know her as Delia Razon, but to us she was Lucy Bailey, or Mama. Mama was a drama queen, yes, even at home, a very fun person, a vibrant individual, an extremely strict grandmother with matching puro at makuha ka sa tingin. I'll never forget that. Pag binigyan ka lang niya ng sharp look niya, magtatago ka lang. Tago ka na. She was a very giving manahin to our house helpers and workers, a loving fur mom and lola, a wonderful costume designer, a fantastic party host, a gracious friend, a true and the OG foodie, a great cook, one of the best dancers, an award-winning superstar, a true scare master, a loving ma to her children and daughter-in-law, and a quirky mama to us Reyes cousins. So some of the most valuable lessons I've learned from Mama, allow me to share. They include, number 1, treating everyone equally and with respect. So treat janitors the same way you would treat the company owner, the owner of the company. Always be humble, and no matter your success, make sure to leave one foot on the ground. Fear God because God is always watching, so never forget to pray, and pray even the rosary. So I remember how we would often pray the rosary, even nightly during Lent, or whenever we have the Immaculate Mary or Santo Niño over from church or from various religious groups. So natuto ko akong mag-pray ng rosary sa Mama. I'm trying to say that I still pray the rosary until today, so favorite ako. And I really have Mama to thank for that. Because these days, the younger generation, they don't even know how to pray the rosary anymore. Do they even go to church? Sorry po sa mga young pa dito. Si Ava saying, yes, good with you. No offense to the younger generation. Another lesson, never forget your dearly departed relatives and loved ones and to pray for them all the time. She told us a lot about our great-grandparents, our great-grand-uncles, aunties, her cousins. She told us so much about them na parang it's as if we knew them personally already. So many stories, historical stories. She had such amazing and beautiful stories to tell about them and about her early life as a child and teenager, both in Iloilo and here in Manila, including how they would used to hide from the Japanese soldiers, how they took a boat from Iloilo to Manila during the war, about all her suitors, of course, all her leading men. Another lesson, always be gracious towards guests and visitors. Another interesting and meaningful lesson or advice I learned from Mama, most especially when I entered show business, was never mind if you don't have the nicest, most expensive outfits or costumes. As long as you have stunning jewelry, you'll never go wrong. And that's true until today. So si Sam, love her jewelry. Ako din, parang namana talaga namin kay Mama yun. Parang Mama, yung time siguro hindi pa ganito ngayon pearls and diamonds. Pero Mama ngayon sobrang mahal na. But yes. So on behalf of the entire Reyes clan, the Reyes Avellana, Reyes Chan families, thank you for celebrating her life with us. Thank you for sharing with us stories and memories you had with our dear Mama. Thank you for the comfort you bring, and most especially for the condolences and prayers. Thank you to Mamang's fans, supporters, close friends, various groups, to actors, to the members of the press, and noted film and TV network individuals who visited, with their respects. Thank you to the Cabangon family, the Lay family, the Guzman family, and thank you most especially to the Han family. For the Hans, Han Rodriguez, Han Relucillo, Han Reyes, and Han Lopez. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are our family. So Mama, thank you for helping shape me into who I am today. I will forever bring the valuable lessons you taught us, and I'll never forget you. We will never forget you. Thank you for loving us, disciplining us, humbling us, and guiding us. We will continue to play bingo, cook for one another, dine together, and celebrate our family on a regular basis. We will also continue to be good. Para when we see each other again, wala nang kurot, wala nang makuha sa tuloy. We hope, Mamang, that we've made you proud. I will forever love you and be proud that I am one of the apples of the Del Arizona, our dear Lucy May. So I say, please stay for dinner after. Light dinner and snacks after. But thank you very much, Olga. We love you, Mama. We will be